the way I love to cook is to prepare everything at the beginning. Okay. So good day, you guys. How are you? Today I'm making a different video. It's not the usual vlogging type videos. Today I'm alone at home, so I'm gonna cook some upside down tuna biryani. Alright, you guys, so let's talk about some ingredients. It's not your traditional biryani type. It's something you make when you don't have anything to make, so don't criticize. So I'm gonna use 2 cans of tuna, 1 tomato paste, some chilies, zucchinis, garlic, tomato, onions, eggplant. I don't know why, I love eggplants. Potato, of course. And this is some curry powder. This is some garam masala paste. These things are really good. This is homemade dried lemon. I dry it here and then we crush it. It's very good actually. Salt, black pepper, and my mother's spice mix. I asked her so many times what does it contain. She is not revealing the secret. And I'm gonna use some ghee. It's very important to soak your potatoes and eggplant with salt and water so they don't turn black and the colors are not fresh anymore. Here 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna wash and clean and soak while I'm preparing everything else. Let's see how this is going. Whoa. Done. Okay, now so let's flip it. I think it's a bit burnt, but no problem. Whoa. Look at that. It's a perfect cake. Look at this. It's a perfect cake. Here we go. Let's give it a taste. I can't wait. Look at this goodness. Look at that. Oh my god, look at this. The crispy parts. I wish you guys could taste this. Focus. Now this is good food. Oh, you guys are still here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Too bad you can't taste it. And I have a good plate to finish. See you guys in the next video. Mmm.